Hello friends, welcome back to Easy Creations. In today's video, we will learn to make this cute 3D pop-up box card. I'm sure you will love this cute handmade card and it could be a perfect gift idea for birthdays and special occasions of your loved ones. So do watch this tutorial till end and don't forget to subscribe my channel for much more ideas. As you can see, I have drawn 8 squares of 7 by 7 centimeter size and 6 centimeter margin at the sidemost corner. The paper as shown and make proper folding crease with the help of a scale. Take another square paper and divide it into 4 equal parts measuring 7 by 7 centimeter each. To make the pop-up part of the card, follow the steps as shown. Fold the corners at 1 centimeter mark. You can use any colored or glitter paper of your choice to make the cutouts of heart-shaped balloons and the cake. Friends, our pop-up part is ready now, so we will fix it inside the box as shown. Make sure to fix it properly so that the pop-up part can come out beautifully while opening the card. So you can see friends, our cute 3D pop-up box card is ready to be gifted on birthdays. You can make an envelope too as shown. I hope you would have enjoyed watching this tutorial. If so, please do share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for much more ideas. Thank you so much for watching it. Take care. Bye bye.